Hi guys! Welcome to Amparo. This is their deluxe room.
Deluxe room, guys. They have 2 queen size bed. So it's fit for us. Okay, upat kami. And then they have complimentary coffee, a heater, and a big full-size cabinet for our clothes. What's that, Sage? Fridge. They have fridge. A small fridge. What? With water. So come on. And a side table and a TV with this. Part of the room, the bathroom where you can cook. What? This. Wow. I hot and cold.
Slide daw.
Hindi ko. And a shower.
The
So
mirror,
nice.
the mirror so nice, oh.
Yeah.
There's also a trash can. There's also railings. Amparo Resort, guys.
You are under arrest.
No, do not under arrest me.